Hello everyone, welcome to the class. This is Genesis Training and this is Mohan Raj again. This is the third video in the speed math series. Okay, so in the last two videos we have seen multiple methods in getting the multiplication and getting the answer faster. That is first method is a base method and another one is Vedic maths method, right? So now we are going to see addition and subtraction by non-conventional method as I mentioned in the last video. So let's see how to do the addition and subtraction faster from a non-conventional method. Okay, let's see. Let me take an example here. 1,234, 5,614, 3,245 and 4,124, 1,296. How are we going to add this? So usually what we do, we write this down one by one, which is going to be time consuming, right? So we are going to write like this, all this. After that, we have to add from the unit digit. This, first of all, writing this itself is take a lot of time. Yes or no? So that is why we don't want this. We don't want this method. So we have to answer it at the end of this. Once you understand this method, we can answer it by just looking at the question itself. So what I am going to do is, assume you are given a bag full of money which is having 100 rupees, 1000 rupees, no 1000 rupees are not right there right now. So 500 rupees, 200 rupees, 50 rupees, 1 rupee coin, everything. And you are asked to count the money. Will you start counting from 1 rupee, 2 rupee coins? No. We go for the higher denomination. Same way, we are going to do that from the higher denomination, not from the right hand, from the left hand. That is the logic. Try to add from the left to right. So I am going to see here many thousands are there and highest denomination is 1000 only. So that's going to be, first I am going to adding the thousands. That is 1000, one more 5000, 3000, 4000, 1000. This is what I am going to add them first. 1000 plus 5, 6000, 9000, 13,000 and 14,000. So this is the sum of the thousands. Similarly, we are going to add the hundreds. 200, 800, one more 100, 200,000, 1100 and then 1300. This is the sum of these numbers. 30, 40, 80, 100, 190. See, this is the only thing I am going to write. And then 4 plus 4, 6, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, plus 4, 17, plus 6, 23. While adding also, I am not going to add from the last. I am going to see this way only. 14,000 plus 1, 15,000. But there is 15,000. There is no carry, so it remains as 15,000. 400, but there is a carry from 90 to 20. When you add this, you get a carry. We add that here. So it's going to be 15,513. This is the sum. So this can be done faster by avoiding all the writing part. Okay. So let us go to the next example. Similar to this, I have 3 digit, 4 digit as well as 2 digit. But still we are going to add the thousand first. 4,000 plus 3,000, 7,000 plus one more 1,000, 8,000. Sum of the 1,000 is 8,000. Now coming to 100. 100 plus 200, 300. 500 plus 800, 1,300. 1,300 plus 200 is 1,500. So we have 1,500. Now coming to tens. 20 plus 50, 70 plus 40, 110 plus 40, 150 plus 30, 180 plus 80, 260. And coming to units, this is easy. 6 plus 4, 10. Again 15, 21, 27, 29. So now we have 9,789. This is the sum. So see, I am not writing much, only the answer with limited steps we are doing it. Right? Now we have this addition as well as subtraction. So as we are following this BODMAS rule, everyone is aware of this. We are going to add first positive numbers and then add the negative numbers separately, then subtract the final result from the negative numbers. So we are going to add the positive numbers only first. These are the positive numbers we have to add now. Right? So what is this? 1,000, again 4,000, 11,000, 12,000. Yes. Again 200, 400, 500, 700. right? So 12,700. So we have to write it properly, right? So this is 200, 400, 500, 700. I'm re-verifying that. Yes. Now coming to tens, 50 plus 40, 90, 90 plus 20, 110, 110 plus 50, 160, right? So finally 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 6, 20. So our sum of the positive numbers is going to be 12,880. Coming to negative numbers, there are only two negative numbers. It can be done easily. We can see 4,000 plus 2,000, 6,000. 500 plus 300, 800. 12 plus 14 direct taken, right? 26. So this is going to be 6,826. While subtracting also, I'm going to start from the left hand only. 12,000 minus 6,000. I would have done 6,000 directly. But I need to see this number. This has no issue. And this also has no issue. 8 minus 2 is possible. But 0 minus 6 is not possible. So we are going to borrow this way. It's going to be 10. This is no more 8. It is 7. So 12,000 minus 6,000 is 6,000. 800 minus 800 is, it's going to be 0. And this is no more 8. It's going to be 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. 10 minus 6 is 4. This will be the sum. I am not doing from the left side, right side. I am doing it from the left hand side to get the answer faster. Okay. Now final example. Here we have decimals also. So when there are decimals, there are two methods. One is you can remove the decimal and you can make it as a 5-digit number, 4-digit number, add, subtract, finally put the decimal back to the place. Or another way is deal with the decimals first, hit the answer, and then deal with the other numbers. So I'm going to do that first. Okay, so that I don't have to make the number bigger. So what we have is decimal part only I'm going to take first. 53, 52, positive numbers first alone. 53, 53 plus 52, we have to add this first. So this is 50 plus 50, 150, 150 plus 50, okay, totally 3 50s are there. 150, it's going to be 158, that is actually 1.58, not 158. Now we have to subtract the negative part here. This 50 plus 70 is 120, so totally 1.24. When we subtract this, we end up with a decimal value as 3, 4. This is our decimal value. That's the last part of our answer. Now we are going to do the normal addition subtraction for the remaining numbers. So 126 is there, 67 is there, positive numbers only I am adding first, 224 is there. So I can see 200 plus 100, 300, and then 20 plus 60, 80, 80 plus 20, 1 more 100, and then I have 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. So the sum of the positive numbers is now 417. Negative numbers is going to be 32 plus 56, which is actually 88. We have to subtract this way. Again, while subtracting, I am going to subtract from the left hand side. 41 minus 8 I could have done, but I need to borrow 1 because it's 7 minus 8. So it's 40 minus 8 is 32, and then 17 minus 8 is 9. So our final answer is going to be 329.34. This will be our final answer. So this is how we do the addition and subtraction in a non-conventional method. So now here comes your practice exercise. So this is the number you can try and get the answer and verify your answers from the calculator. Okay, so please try practicing these methods before getting into the actual topics where we need to do all these calculations faster. So I hope everything is clear for you. So let us meet again in the next video. Thank you so much.